Okay guys, check it out. So just on this video, this is a recipe you're gonna see. So you're gonna see how to make spicy onion laccha or spicy onion rings, as well as a spicy onion salad. And you can have this with your tandoori chickens, with your chicken tikka, or any barbecue stuff that you make, really anything grilled, or as even a side dish, guys, with your main courses and so forth. Papadoms and great stuff to have. Right guys, so enjoy the recipe. So onion laccha, which is spicy onion rings, as well as spicy onion salad. Great for the summertime, guys. Get the barbecue going on and enjoy it with your tandoori chickens and so forth. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Hope you guys are well. This week's video, guys, is going to be super duper easy but very tasty. It's going to be, I'm going to show you two recipes actually. I'm going to show you how to make spicy onion rings, so onion laccha, as well as spicy onion salad. The reason I'm showing you both of these is because they're very similar to make. Now you can have them with as a side with your main courses, curries or whatever, but as well as your barbecues, your tandoori chicken, your chicken tikkas, or any other barbecue stuff you make. So having said that, guys, let's crack on with this video. Before we do, guys, I just want to give a big shout out to everyone that's been supporting us, and also, guys, if you haven't already, please do so, like and subscribe to our channel, and do share it with your friends and family. Having said that, guys, let's crack on with our onion laccha spicy onion rings recipe first of all. Okay guys, so to save you time, what I've done, I've actually prepared the ingredients already. So I've just basically chopped loads of these bits and pieces up. So here they are. So first thing, we're going to make onion laccha. So what we need is onion rings. I've got some onion rings here. So this was like one onion ring. So this is like one small medium, I'll say about medium sized onion, and I've just literally cut them into small rings. So again, just do that. So you don't want them too thick, purely because you are going to have them as it is, and you don't want them too thin either. So just get them all separated. Right, so there we go. First thing I'm going to do, so I have got some garlic. So these have been on low flame, so the whole garlic clove on low flame, so a little charred, and once it's done, finally gave you a fine chop. So I'm just going to add just under maybe half a teaspoon. Get some of these for us. So I'm going to use some Kashmiri red chili, and again, so depending on the quantity of onions you are using, guys, you may want to increase it, you may want to decrease it, or if you do like it spicy, you can use the chili powder itself instead of the Kashmiri red chili. So this is just about say about half a teaspoon. So I might add a tiny bit more because I do like it slightly spicy. Okay. These are finely chopped green chili. Again, I've got the seeds and so forth in there as well, so I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon. The next thing we're going to use Shaan's Chat Masala on here. So let's get this. So again, depending on the quantity of onion you be using, again, so this is one medium-sized onion. I'm using just under 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Again, you want this to give it the flavour, so you don't want to overpower it. So you just want the slight light flavour coming through. And again, pinch of salt. So again, just add a pinch of salt to taste. Lemon juice. Again, it's about 1 to 2 teaspoon, I'll say. What we're going to do now, guys, is give it a quick mix. And this is our spicy onion rings and laccha ready. We're just going to add some coriander at the end. Let's try and get this one back in. There we go. And some virgin oil if you've got any Greek oil, olive oil on there. There we go. Give it a nice mix. And this is our onion laccha done, guys. So spicy onion rings. Like I said, if you want it more spicy, guys, add more chili powder in there. Add more of the green chili and so forth in there as well. It'll become absolutely amazing. All you do now, guys, as you see, nice, spicy, hot as it is. This is it, guys. That's how you have it. So I've got tandoori chicken in the oven, so I'm going to have it with that. So for now, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to put this in here. Going to give the bowl a quick wash for ready for our next recipe. Okay, guys, forgot to say, of course, cheers. Cup of tea ready. So moving on to our spicy onion salad. So again, this one you can have with your papadoms, again as a side with the any of your curries or anything like that, guys. So got one medium chopped diced red onion. Again, if you want to use white onion, you can do. I've just had some red onion lying around. Do find the white onion slightly nice and sweeter, so happy days. Got some cucumber. So what we got? 1, 2, 3. So about 4 teaspoons in there. Again, depending on the quantity you want to make, just evenly spread it out. So onion salad generally has more onion. We've got 1 chopped tomato. So again, I've de-seeded them. Again, spicy, so I'm going to put some green chili. Let's get some of that Kashmiri red chili in there. Or if you want to use the actual chili powder, use that to make it more spicy. So about half a teaspoon. Let's give it a bit more. Add some coriander. So again, good pinchful there. And again, guys, simple as that. Give it a good mix. And again, I forgot to add the other half of the garlic in there as well. Got some lemon juice left. I'm going to squeeze a bit of lemon juice in there as well. Give it that tanginess coming through. And there we have it, guys. 2 recipes, 1 video. So you've got spicy onion salad, as well as you've got our spicy onion rings, or the onion laccha, you call them. So let's get them plated up and enjoy them. Right, guys, hope you enjoyed the recipe. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Please enjoy them with your barbecues, with your main course, or your even salads, such as the papadoms and so forth, guys. Give it a go. Absolutely amazing. And again, these are really nice quantity. The lemon and all the flavors are absorbed in the onion and so forth, guys. It comes out really well. So give it about 15-20 minutes before you consume them, just to make sure that the whole flavors and everything get absorbed in there really nicely. Well, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Do give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and lots of love going out to you guys. Thanks ever so much for supporting us, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.